What's going on YouTube? So it's Martin.
Hey, Christina
from Thrift Store Gold, back at you with another video, daily vlogs. So as you can see, we're right at Goodwill over there, and we're actually in this challenge with some other resellers. So who are they?
They are Dudes Did It, Nashville Flippers, Thrift BCQ, and Fried Hustler.
So you can get all their channels in the links below.
Yes, it's the Give Me a 5 challenge.
Yeah, Give Me a 5 challenge. So pretty much the rule is you have to find an item $5 or less. I'm gonna step a little closer in case of the wind. You have to find an item $5 or less, and then you have to sell it before the month wins, and whoever has the most profit with that one item wins.
Yes.
So we're at our Goodwill. We're gonna go search. If we can't find anything here, we're gonna go to our savers. They're about
10 minutes apart.
10 minutes apart, 5 minutes from our house. So the gas, it's not that much gas. We'll show you a round trip afterwards, and let's go in. So you're gonna find some gold?
I hope so. I'm hoping to find Lululemon. I was determined last time, and I am determined again today.
Lululemon. So I'm not showing the camera, but I believe I just found it. For $5.
Yeah, this is dumb.
And that sells.
This month.
Alright, so we found some gold in this bag. $5 down, out the door. We're gonna head to Savers like we said.
Try to see if we can find another item to see if maybe one's a little bit better, because we don't want to just narrow ourselves too. And
Christina just had a good idea. If we do, we're gonna have you guys vote in the comment section below which item we do. So hopefully we find something, but we're not gonna buy something just to buy something.
It's gotta be gold.
So let's get in this car and go. Super windy. Hopefully you guys can hear. We're at Savers now. We're gonna go in, look for some stuff. We're never here. So while we're going through at Savers, someone actually just sent us an offer on a Cheeto. Look at it. Tap the screen for me. No, this one. Oh, never mind, I got it.
Good. Still profit.
$5 for a Cheeto. We only paid $6 for the 2 bags. Hell yeah, we're gonna accept that. Super rare Cheeto. But we also found this. We might not pick it up, but it is for $3. It's a Crew shirt, so I don't know if you guys know Crew or not. This is their logo. So I'll put it bigger on the screen, but it's another skateboarding brand. I believe that would sell, but where you need to find something that would sell more than 10 bucks.
Yes.
Clouds are getting real nasty over there. It's not too bad. I know it's a little pink over there, but so oh man, some nasty clouds. We gotta get home quick, show you guys what we got. We did get something in there. Might have just bought to buy, but it was fine. We did get something in there, so we're gonna show you guys the 2 things we got. You guys can leave in the comment section down below which one we should enter in this thing. We're gonna be selling them both, so I don't even know, but it is starting to rain, so we're just gonna get in the car. I was gonna do the whole tripod on the car type thing, but look at,
he's sprinkling.
it's starting to rain.
The clouds look so bad.
All right, we'll be home in like 3 minutes. Oh yeah, so if you guys wanted to know, gas, I don't know how to tell them that how much we spent, but we are just above E. So gas wasn't that expensive to get out here. Time to get home.
Time to go.
So we know you guys are always wondering about the gas. I bet you're laughing right now, sitting at home. You're just laughing. Alright, we'll be home in a minute. So really quick, as we were driving home, tell them what just happened.
We got a message on
I'll put the screenshot on the screen.
Another Cheeto that says, "Hi, I love this Cheeto shaped as a bald eagle. What is the lowest you would go? I'm thinking of eating this. Would that be un-American or illegal? Thanks." What? Sorry, what the lowest we'll go is 900. It really looks like an eagle sitting on a bird.
These Cheetos are crazy. Ah!
I knew you had to something.
So now that we're back home, we're actually changed clothes. We're gonna be going off to the gym any minute now, but we gotta show you guys what we got. So in Savers, Christina actually found these jean shorts. So
Yes.
tell them what they are.
JNCO Jinko maybe, I don't know, but I looked them up and comps were
Not bad.
not bad, but they were for the men's shorts and I didn't realize these were kids shorts until I was taking pictures of them. But they have a really cool dragon on the back, so I think it'll do pretty well. So
that's one of the things that we got. And then the other thing that we got in Goodwill was what I found, which I think is probably going to sell.
Oh yeah.
And going to win this, guys. Let's be real. It's this Sylvester the Cat and Tweety Bird Warner Brothers t-shirt. It's green, it's actually from 1996, it says on the tag, or 5. I was looking last night, she'll double check right now. So 1996. So we're super excited on this. Both, the shirt was $5 and then the jeans shorts were $3.49. So like we said earlier in the video, we'll let you guys decide in the comment section below which one you want us to sell. But if nobody says anything, we're gonna go with the Tweety Bird shirt, the Warner Brothers, because that's one is probably gonna sell, win this whole competition. So if you guys don't know the other dudes in this competition, please give them a subscribe, because we really appreciate them letting us jump in. This was really fun. I know it was last minute that we hopped in, but we had a really fun time doing it. So thank you guys for having us join. Thank you everybody for watching our videos. Definitely check out all the other guys' videos, because they're probably already posted because we're really late. So on that note, have a great day or night whenever you are watching this, and like always, go crush it. Peace.